Things I hear all the time. How did you reply so quickly? Thanks for sharing that file right away. Thanks for rescheduling our meeting so easily. If you want to be able to reply to clients or team members while away from your desk, then these top Google apps will allow you to work on the go. I will explain the top 3 apps that I consider to be required, as well as the next 3 apps that will make you even more productive while on the go. Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer, Google certified trainer, and productivity specialist. I empower business owners with Google solutions so you can make time and space for what you value most. In the comments below, share some of your frustrations of working on the go and any solutions you have tried. To keep up with the basics of work or personal life while on the go, you will need these 3 Google apps installed on your phone. Number 1, Gmail. You must be able to access Gmail from anywhere, anytime, if you want to keep your business or personal life running smoothly. So, get the Gmail app on your phone, ensure you have added all accounts you want to be able to access within the app, know how to switch between the accounts, and have notifications turned on for the accounts you want to be notified about. Number 2, Google Calendar. You need to be able to see your work, personal, team, and family calendars, as well as reschedule or add appointments while away from your desk. You can even add video conferencing meetings on the go. With the Google Calendar app, you can do all of these things. Number 3, Google Drive. With the Google Drive app on your phone, you can see everything in your Google Drive. You can easily share any file or folder with more people, remove shared access if and when needed, and upload photos or files from on-site jobs and more. To review, the top 3 Google apps to install on your phone are Gmail, Calendar, and Drive. If you want to be extra productive on the go, the next 3 apps are important as well. Number 4, Google Docs. With Google Docs, you can actually edit Google Docs on your phone, view, reply to, and add comments in Docs, and use your phone's voice-to-text feature to take notes straight into a doc, and more. Number 5, Google Tasks. This is Google's task list manager. In the app, you can add new tasks as you think of them, add due dates to tasks, view your various task lists, and check off tasks completed. In addition, you can add tasks from Gmail, Calendar, and Docs. And everything syncs between the tasks on your phone and the tasks in your computer. For my complete 30-minute live training on Google Tasks, click the link in the description below. Lastly, number 6, Google Chrome. With the Google Chrome browser, you can switch Chrome profiles from personal to work and back again, just like on your computer. You can have your saved passwords, settings, bookmarks, and browsing history synced across all devices within that Chrome profile. Meaning, if I'm on my computer and I have saved passwords, and then I open Chrome on my phone and I have saved passwords, they will work in both places. In addition, you can access the tabs that are currently open on your computer's browser while you're on your phone's Chrome browser, because it is all synced. To review, the Google suite of apps runs right on your phone or tablet and keeps you connected and productive wherever you are. You especially need Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive to be able to communicate and collaborate at any time. If you want help setting these up and ensuring they work on your phone or computer, join our hands-on digital organizing workshops to ensure you make time to work on it and have an expert by your side.